Around Cleveland, brought to you by Spitzer Auto World. Our world revolves around you.
I'm Teresa Strasser, and you're on the list. A local company helps tackle messes and finds itself in a big one. Mike Brookbank with the tweet being shared around Cleveland.
At number 1,
Happiness is knowing there's plenty of Purell Advanced Hand Sanitizer.
too bad no one in Cleveland will be using it. Purell's out of the blue tweet, bashing the Browns during a Super Bowl game they weren't even a part of, is pushing residents to boycott the local company. But heads up, C-Town, on average, we touch 1,500 potentially germy surfaces between washings.
I threw up.
Sometimes you have to sacrifice being a little sick to show where your loyalties lie. Go Browns!
At number 2,
What's a hub?
the word is trending as United Airlines moves forward with a plan to pull the plug on its Cleveland hub.
Well, first of all, I didn't know exactly what it was, but I knew it meant losing a lot of jobs.
Turns out, quite a few Clevelanders don't have a clue.
A group of some sort.
A band
Really
called The
don't-
Hub.
Because we'll be hearing more about this story, just remember, an airline routes most of its daily traffic through a hub.
Lots of transfers happen at.
At number 3,
What are you doing?
I'm trying to drive you to the store.
Miss Daisy had the right idea, walking to the store, and it's something leaders in University Circle want to see happen more often.
So let's stop talking and do some walking.
Each weekday, some 4,800 commuters drive to the Circle, and the push is on to change how they get there. On the list of options, biking. Several improvements are being proposed to make the area more bike-friendly. Next, new shuttle service between Cleveland Heights and University Circle. Finally, RTA bus routes with consistent schedules to help commuters. Until we see some of these changes, the congestion will continue. Now you're caught up and clued in around Cleveland, I'm Mike Brookbank.
Around Cleveland, brought to you by Spitzer Auto World. Our world revolves around you.